Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new video. In today's session, we will discuss about the term data analytics. In our previous session, we have already discussed what is data science. So data analytics is all about the subset of data science. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss in detail who is data analyst, roles and responsibilities, educational background. So let's get started. What is data analytics? Data analytics is all about the process of analyzing datasets to uncover patterns, relationships, and find insights from the data and make decisions and drive business outcomes. It involves using statistical and computational techniques to perform useful insights. Data analysts can involve a wide variety of tasks like data cleaning, data preparation, performing EDA, statistical modeling, and data visualization as well. The goal of data analytics is to extract meaningful information and insights from large and complex data sets. Data analytics is used in variety of fields like finance, marketing, business, healthcare, and many other fields. Many companies are collecting data all the time, but it is in the raw format. This data doesn't really means anything. This is where data analytics comes into the picture. Data analytics is something the process of analyzing data into meaningful insights which are then used to inform and drive smart business decisions. A data analyst will extract raw data, organize it, analyze it, and then transforming it into an appropriate format, which is very main thing. The data analyst will pass on their findings in the form of suggestions and recommendations. You can think of data analytics as a form of business intelligence who used to solve specific problems, challenges within an organization. It's all about finding patterns in a data set which can tell you something about the relevant field or a particular area of the business. Data analytics helps you to make sense of the past and predict future trends. This is the main key point of the whole discussion. Data and science or data analytics basically helps you to make sense of past and predict information of the future rather than finding information or finding decisions on the base of guesswork. Remember one thing, in data science field there is no guesswork.